Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Arcus Studio by Vandana. After learning about yarn, hook, slip knot and chain stitch in my previous tutorials, today I will show you how to make double crochet stitch, which is one of the most basic and most important crochet stitch, which you will use again and again. It's easy to learn, works up fast and looks beautiful in many projects. So let's get started. It is commonly written as DC in crochet patterns. For this tutorial I am using cotton 4-ply yarn and a 3mm hook. First, make a slip knot and make around 20 chains. Add 3 more chains to start a double crochet. Yarn over your hook once. Insert hook into the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull through the chain. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. You will have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over once more and pull through the remaining 2 loops, and that completes one double crochet stitch. Let me show that again slowly. Take your time and keep your stitches relaxed. Continue making double crochet in each chain across the row. When you reach the end of the row, make 2 chains. This chain 2 counts as the first double crochet of the next row. Turn your work and start making double crochet stitches in the next stitch. Double crochet is used in many projects like blankets, shawls, scarves, bags, home decor. It's also the base stitch for many patterns like granny squares, shell stitches, and V stitches. Double crochet is often used for edging, giving your project a neat and finished look. This could easily become your favorite stitch because it's fast, simple, and versatile. Double crochet stitch is a tall stitch that creates a soft and slightly open fabric. It's perfect for beginners once you understand the steps. Practice this stitch a few times and you will feel confident very quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment and follow me for many more crochet lessons. Thank you for watching. Bye. Happy crocheting from Arcus Studio by Vandana.